Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to insert hyperlink to an image on Canva. So you can see over here, we have three kind of hyperlinks. The first type of hyperlink is a phone number. The second type hyperlink is the email. And the third type hyperlink is the website. Okay, let's jump to the videos. First of all, for the phone number, you will choose the text over here and you right click and you choose the link option. In the link option, you will type in your phone number, but you type in like this. When you export, you cannot use it. So you need to do like me. In the beginning of the phone number, you need to type in this one before your phone number. Okay, after you type in this one, just click done, and then when you export it to something like PDF, you can click to this phone number and you can call this phone number right away. Okay, for the second hyperlink is an email. You're doing the same. You choose the link option over here and then you paste the email right here. But similar to the phone number, if you type in like this, you cannot use it right away. In the beginning of the email, you need to type in this one. Mail to, after you type in this one, you click done, and then when you export it in PDF, you click to this email. It will directly navigate to an email app for you to create a new email. For the website, choose a link and you just need to paste the link of your website here. You don't need to add anything. So now we have three hyperlinks here. You can do some modification of the text if you want. You can remove the underline, or you want to keep the underline, or you want to change color to this kind of color if you want. If you don't want, it's okay. You can keep all the color and the underline similar to all the part of your document. Okay, now I will try to export this document to PDF and try if it works or not. I will just share over here. I will just download the PDF. Okay, now I finally export my PDF and you can scroll down over here. I will zoom in down. We have three hyperlinks and now I will test each one. First is a phone number. Because I'm using PC right now, so I cannot test the phone number. When I click it, it's nothing gonna happen. When you open the PDFs on your mobile device like your iPhone or Android or even a MacBook, you can call directly when you click to this number. Okay, for the email, I can click to this email and it's directly navigate me to an email app. You can see after I click to that email, it will navigate me directly to my email application on my Windows. It's similar when you're using the mobile device, it will navigate to your email apps on your mobile device. Okay, the last one is a website. When you click to this one, it will navigate you to this website. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.